Forewarn weather with 4Zone Weather, pinpointing conditions down to your neighborhood.
So the fog is a little bit better. We've got a lot of warm temperatures. Not good for the skiers like we were just talking about, but we do have that gray and gloomy feel all around town. This is Ann Arbor this afternoon. You've seen a little bit of rain in that area, clearing out this evening. Kim is back to look at the forewarned 7-day forecast, and we do have a little bit of snow, I understand.
We do. This will be a good weekend for skiing. Whether you're Mount Brighton, Boyne, it'll be, first of all, cold enough for them to make snow, and then we're also going to get just a little light snow from time to time. So
look pretty.
A little bit better for the skiers. They definitely want that snowfall. And if you look very, very closely, and I mean really closely, you might see just a break or two of the sunshine this evening. 55 in Detroit. Notice the big discrepancy in temperatures. Mid-40s in Howell, but 10 degrees warmer in the city. That's what we talked about earlier, was that warm sector. So if you're in that warm sector, you get the temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. If you're not, you're stuck in the 40s. In fact, if you look way up there at the top, see that little bit of blue sky? We get very excited about that because we haven't seen a whole lot of it. Well, talking about the sun, something interesting happened this morning. It's the perihelion. It happened at 11:17 this morning. That is when the Earth's orbit is closest to the sun at 91 million miles. Now, why isn't it warm if we're that close to the sun? It's because of the Earth's tilt. We're in the northern hemisphere, which in the perihelion is tilted away from the sun. The aphelion is July 6th. That's when we'll be tilted toward the sun. But right now we are 3 million miles closer today than we normally are to the sun. All right, let's talk about the visibility because it's not an issue right now in many areas except for Mount Clemens. I'm going to check this surface observation, but there's some patchy fog being reported right now in Mount Clemens. But most areas right now are just mostly cloudy and dry. 46 in Pontiac, 48 in Mount Clemens, 59 though, City Airport. So look at the difference between Mount Clemens and City Airport, just what, 30, 40 minutes apart, but quite a bit of a difference in temperatures. As we look down to the south, we see all that warm air, but that's now moving off to the east with an area of low pressure. Wrapping back behind the low pressure is some cooler air. So we do expect temps to drop down into the 30s, but that is still a little bit above our normal high, which right now is 33 degrees. So for tonight, mostly cloudy skies. Tomorrow, we do have to watch for just a few scattered, very light snow showers throughout the day, off and on, maybe totaling up a little bit on some grassy areas across Metro Detroit. Friday, same thing, just some very light snow showers. 35 degrees, lots of clouds, cooler tonight, daytime tomorrow. A few scattered snow showers with highs in the upper 30s. Here's your future forecast. As we look ahead to the weekend, most of the weekend will be dry. If you live south of Detroit on Sunday after about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you might see a couple light snow showers. Otherwise, a normal high is 33, and we're above it for the next 7 days, so you really can't complain too much. If you're headed out tonight, don't forget to download the Forewarn Weather app, and then you can get interactive radar and weather alerts right in the palm of your hand. It's free, and you can search it in your favorite app store. Just type in WDIV.
All right.